Swimming pools have complex systems. Some components are designed to make them safe, clean, and efficient to operate, while others are designed for comfort. And some of these components are subject to energy efficiency and flexible demand regulations, which can help reduce overall power consumption and help consumers save on their utility bills. In California, pool equipment may be regulated by either the California Energy Commission, or CEC, or the U.S. Department of Energy, or DOE. These regulations set minimum standards to improve efficiency or add flexible demand capabilities to pool equipment. If the DOE adopts regulations for equipment that the CEC already regulates, the DOE regulations override the CEC regulations, which are then retired. So, what components of a swimming pool are regulated, and by which regulatory agency? We'll start with the pool pump, which circulates water through the system, passing it through a series of filtration devices to maintain its clarity, cleanliness, and health. Otherwise, the pool would become a breeding ground for bacteria and algae. Pool pumps are regulated by the DOE, and they update their standards regularly. A motor powers the pump, and if that motor malfunctions, it must be replaced. The CEC regulates replacement pool pump motors through Title 20, the California Appliance Efficiency Regulations. All motors that are manufactured after September 2025 and that are less than 0.5 total horsepower or 1.15 to 5 total horsepower are subject to DOE regulations, whether they are sold as replacement motors or as new. And starting September 2027, motors 0.5 to 1.5 total horsepower will be subject to DOE regulations. We've talked about the components that keep a pool's water clean and healthy, but what about keeping a pool's water comfortable for swimming? That's where pool heaters and covers come in. And while they are not required components, heaters and covers are regulated if used. The CEC and the DOE both regulate pool heaters. The heater itself, as an appliance, is regulated through the CEC's Title 20 Appliance Efficiency Regulations, while its application is regulated through Title 24, Part 6, the Building Energy Efficiency Standards. Title 24, Part 6 also specifies how to size a pool pump, calculate a flow rate, and size and lay out a system's piping, filters, and valves. Gas and oil-fired pool heaters are regulated by the DOE, while heat pump pool heaters are currently regulated by the CEC's Title 20 Appliance Efficiency Regulations. In 2028, the new DOE electric pool heater regulations will become effective, at which time the CEC regulations will be retired. Title 24, Part 6 specifies that for new pools, any newly installed heater must use energy-efficient options and be properly sized. These options include solar thermal pool heater systems, heat pump pool heaters, waste heat recovery systems, a combination of solar thermal and heat pump pool heaters, or any comparable heater approved by the CEC through a special process. Certain pools, such as those with only solar heating or in-ground spas with specific conditions, are exempt from these requirements. Portable electric spas also have efficiency requirements under Title 20, but they are not subject to Title 24, Part 6. Title 24, Part 6 also specifies that if an outdoor pool has a gas or electric heater, it must also have a pool cover, which can save energy by minimizing heat loss, as well as minimizing water and chemical loss. Last, we come to pool controls, which are regulated by the CEC requirements for flexible demand. The Flexible Demand Appliance Standard for pool controls creates default pool control schedules to align pool operations with times of higher renewable energy availability and lower electricity rates. These devices can control a pool system's pump, heater, filters, valves, and lighting, and more, and have communication capabilities that keep pool owners informed about the status of their devices. With consumer consent, they can connect to the grid, utility, or other third-party programs to let pool owners schedule equipment to operate during off-peak hours, reducing their energy bills while helping the environment. Want to learn more? Energy Codes has several fact sheets with all the details that you can download or read online. Have questions? Just ask, or leave us a comment, and be sure to check out our other offerings.